Welcome to BizLum channel, where we teach business owners and individuals on how to make money online. Please, subscribe to this channel. Create memes using ChatGPT. Install the ChatGPT plugin called Meme Creator, and get started. Here is how to do it. This is what you will get when you use regular Meme Creator, which is very boring and take longer time. This is what you will get when you use ChatGPT to create meme. It is fast and the best. Elon Musk also used it. If you haven't enabled plugins in ChatGPT settings, then do it. After enabling the plugins, search for the Meme Creator plugin in the plugin store. Install it and enable it. Overview of Meme Creator. Meme Creator is a plugin in ChatGPT that you can install without any signups. It has 100 styles or meme formats that you can use, if you know the meme. Usage: write, create a meme, and then add the context. That's it. Here's how to write and generate multiple memes using the Meme Creator plugin. Watch it in the video below. Elon Musk tweeted after 2 days meme. Watch the video below. Watch how to change the text on memes. Creating memes isn't enough. Utilize social media platforms like Twitter and post your generated memes to build a community. Use Reddit and start a community. After building a community, you will get 10+ offers for sponsors. Sell on http://memechat.app if you want to. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.